Hi guys, today I will show you how to save WhatsApp status of your contacts without using any third-party app. So let's start. First of all, you need to open your file manager. Then open SD card and scroll down until you reach WhatsApp folder and simply open it. Then open media folder. After that, tap on three dots and select show hidden files. A new folder named .status will appear on your screen. Open it. Here you can find all status. You can move or copy them to another folders and save easily.